Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Magento with AliDropship easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Magento with AliDropship, start by ensuring that you have both platforms set up. Log in to your Magento admin panel. Navigate to the Stores section on the left sidebar. Click on Configuration under the Stores menu. Select the Web option in the Configuration section. Ensure that your base URL is correctly configured. Next, go to the AliDropship dashboard. Click on Settings from the main menu. Locate the Integrations tab within the Settings. Find the Magento integration option and click on it. You will see an option to generate an API key. Click on the Generate API Key button. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Return to your Magento admin panel. In the Stores section, navigate to the Configuration menu again. This time, look for the Advanced tab. Under Advanced, click on Advanced. Find the section labeled AliDropship Integration. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Save your changes. Next, go back to your AliDropship dashboard. Click on the Products menu. Import products from AliExpress by selecting your desired items. Configure the product import settings according to your preferences. Once the import process is complete, check for any synchronization options. Ensure to enable automatic synchronization for product updates. Finally, test the connection by checking your Magento store. Look for the imported AliDropship products in your catalog. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.